Today we're going to continue our Unit 6 pre-assessment. So yesterday you finished Part 3A where you needed to make a shape with 3 sides and 3 corners or vertices and write the name. Today we're going to start with 3B. You need to make a shape with 4 sides that are all the same length and write that shape name. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Question number 4. On question number 4, you're going to find all the quadrilaterals in the box below and you're going to color them. You do not color any other shapes, just color the quadrilaterals. You can do that with a pencil or you can color them green if you have green. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. All right, next. You're going to look at question number 5. On question number 5, you're going to use tiles to cover the entire rectangle. Do not leave any holes or gaps. And then we're going to answer the questions below. So pause the video and cover the rectangle with tiles. All right, you've got your rectangle covered with tiles. Part A says, how many tiles did it take to cover the entire triangle? Go ahead and write how many tiles it took. Pause the video, count the tiles, and write how many. All right, Part B asked you to write an addition equation to show how many tiles it took to cover the rectangle. You'll write that equation right here. Pause the video and write an addition equation to show how many tiles it took to cover the rectangle. All right, looking at number 6. Here are 3 different shapes. We will use these 3 shapes to answer the questions below. Part A asks you to divide each shape into 2 equal parts. Use a ruler to help draw straight lines. So go ahead and pause the video, use your ruler to draw 2 equal parts on each shape. All right, Part B says, when you divide a shape into 2 equal parts, what is each part called? Fill in the bubble to show. Is it 1/4, 1/2, 1/3, or 1/2? Go ahead and pause the video and choose which answer is correct. All right, Part C says, Eric says that 2 halves is the same as 1 whole. Do you agree with Eric? Why or why not? Go ahead and pause the video and put yes or no whether you agree with Eric, and then tell us why or why not. All right, looking at the final page, we're looking at question number 7. We're going to use these shapes to answer the questions below. Part A says, find the trapezoid. Draw a line to cut it in half. Color in 1/2 red. Go ahead and pause the video, find which shape is the trapezoid, draw a line to cut it in half, and then color in 1/2 red. All right, Part B says find the rectangle. Color 1/2 of the rectangle blue. Color the other half yellow. So pause the video, you're finding the rectangle, color 1/2 of the rectangle blue, and the other half yellow. All right, Part C. Find the circle that is divided into 2 equal parts. Color in 2 halves of that circle green. So you're going to color in 2 halves of that circle green. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. All right. Number 8, Dad made sandwiches exactly the same size for Sam and Sarah. Then he cut each sandwich in half like this. Sam said, that's not fair. Sarah got bigger halves than me. Is Sam right? Why or why not? So you can use labels, sketches, words, or numbers to explain. Here's Sarah's sandwich, and here is Sam's sandwich. You need to write whether yes or no. If Sam is correct when he said it's not fair that Sarah got bigger halves than him, and then tell why or why not. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. All right, that is the end of your Unit 6 pre-assessment. I will give you further directions when you bring me your test.